I'm a bad man. I can be louder than anyone else in the high street, and I can bounce when I walk, and I can high five my homies and be like, yeah boy. What a pleb. Yeah, I'm hard. I just volleyed over a table. It was a traffic cone. What did the traffic cone ever do to them? I've never met a more pathetic bunch of little badmans in my life. Don't put your thumb up to me, bitch. I've just been bad-mouthing you all over town. Yeah, pass the bifter. Make it more obvious that you're drug driving, BF61 NWN. See, look, you're definitely on drugs. You're turning right from the left-hand lane. That is sexy. Very nice, I like. It's the M4. Fucking absolute twat. Hell. Did not expect to see that when I came around the corner. He beeped at me just to give me a thumbs up. Doesn't close, okay. Oh, after you. I mean, you set off pretty quickly. I'll let you off. Haha, calm as a bitch. We'll love to see it. The bloke is running like he shit himself. Oh, good indicator, yeah, sweet. Leave me sat here waiting forever. That'd be good, I appreciate that. Yeah, that's it, just drive over when someone's waiting to cross. I just wanna be part of your symphony. Excuse my singing. Oh my days, just go. Such a weird driver. She is still, oh, I'm still indicating, she was still wearing a Santa hat, and we're like in the second half of January now. You got a Christmas fanatic. Oh yes, let's have a fight in the middle of the street. Of course, you look at one of them and see a bottle of beer in one of their hands and you just know that it's over nothing. Oh, this bus driver's got skills. Okay, what are we doing? Should I go to the left? No. Ah! Maybe. Yeah, you'll fit. You could do it, mate. Go on. Keep it going. You got a good half a foot there. Yes, see? Living up to his name, he has got skills. It's because you've parked like an absolute jebben, that's why. Okay, his skills are lacking. He's indicated left and is turning right. Flippin' Nora. That was good reactions from both me and him. And another lesson, people, in why you should always filter slowly. I don't know what that thing is, but I know that I would quite like to own one. Somebody tell me what that is. It's like a racetrack go-kart. Looks like fun.